Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, we're going to draw pizzas and learn all about fractions. Now, before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll always be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing like this one. But I'm feeling hungry, so let's make a start on these pizzas. First, we'll begin by drawing a circle for the base of the first pizza. Now make sure you leave enough space to draw another pizza alongside it. Bring that all the way to the end there. And we'll draw the second pizza just to the side. Bring it all the way round. Now we'll draw a slightly smaller circle inside the first, and this will be the pizza crust. And again on this one. Let's give the first pizza some eyes. One there. And one next to it. Put some pupils in. And some melted cheese eyebrows. Little olive for the mouth. I'll have him looking a little worried as he's seen my pizza slicer. Do the same for the other pizza. 2 eyes. Perhaps give this one a slice of pepper for a smile. Again, those melted cheese eyebrows. Now, pepperoni is my children's favourite, so let's put some slices on this pizza. But you can choose whatever topping you really like. If you like anchovies, you can put those on. Now my wife likes vegetarian pizza, so let's put some more chopped peppers on this. Now, if I only had one pizza and both my children wanted a slice, then I'd have to cut it down the middle into 2 equal halves. Now, if my wife and I also wanted a slice, I'd have to cut it equally again, like this, into 4 quarters. And if there was 8 people, I'd have to slice each of those quarters through the middle equally into 8s. So there's our pizza cut into 8 equal pieces. But what if there was an odd number of people? Well, I'd have to get my pizza slicer and cut down towards the centre, but not all the way across, stopping at the middle, and then cutting out at these angles to create 3 equal pieces, or thirds. And if I cut those in half, I'd have slices cut into 6ths. But there we have it, 2 delicious pizzas cut into equal pieces using fractions. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, do be sure to check out all my other ad art tutorials like these. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. And if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, why not share ad art with them and draw together? But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.